See lines and angles. So what is meant by line? What is meant by line, children? Already I explained you, but again I want to remind you that point means we know that one dot. Okay, one dot. And the line means in a line so many points is lying on that line. Means, see, for example, with the dots only I can make a line. If you join these dots, you'll find out the line. But if this line is extending endlessly in two directions, if this line is extending endlessly in two directions, we will call it as line. Line means no ending in two directions. It will be extending in both the two directions. Clear? Now, line segment. What is meant by line segment? There are two points. One is starting point, one is ending point. And if a line is having starting and end points, that we will call it as line segment. What it is? Line segments. We have the exact distance for that. For example, 7 centimeters. You know that it is having exactly the 7 centimeters distance, and it is having the starting point. From where we will start? From 0 to 7. Means there is a starting point and there is an ending point. So line segment means 2 points will be there. One is starting point, another one is ending point. Line means there is no end in two directions. Endlessly it will be extending. And one more, ray. I already explained you, which is having one point means that is starting point and there is no ending point in one direction, that is endlessly extending to another direction, that is called ray. Starting point is there, but there will be no ending point for that. Understood, children? Clear it is. Now see here, I want to just remember you all these things. Already you are learned, children. You are very intelligent, I know that, but once again just I want to remind you all those things. Less than 90 degrees, what we will call? Acute angle. Less than 90 degrees it is acute angle. Means till 89 degrees it is acute angle only. 0 to 89 degrees it is acute angle. And 0, no, it's from where it will start. You can see that in the protractor you can see less than 90 degrees, 20, 30, 25, 15, 10, it is acute angle only. And which is greater than 90 degrees, that is obtuse angle. Greater than 90 degrees, obtuse angle means 91, 92 onwards. Okay, it is obtuse angle. Obtuse means greater than 90 degrees. And right angle means which is equal to 90 degrees. Equal to 90 degrees, we will call it as right angle. Straight angle, which is equal to 180 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees, we will call it as straight angle. And another one is complete angle. When it is equal to 360 degrees, we will say that it is complete angle. Understood? Acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, and what it is? Complete angle. Understood? Clear, children? See the exercise 5.1 what we have done in the notes. Find the complement of each of the following angles. What you should do here? Complement means it should be equal to 90 degrees. Correct? So here you see 20 degrees they have given. So how much you need to add for that to get complement? 20 is there. So to get the complement angle, another angle should be what it should be? 20 plus how much we should add? So to find out that 90 degrees minus 20 degrees, if you do, you'll get the answer 70 degrees. That 70 degrees is the complement angle for the 20 degrees. Means 20 plus 70 is equal to complement angle 90 degrees. Okay. So same way you should do the supplementary angle also. Supplementary angle, what it is? Supplement angle, what it is? What is the supplement angle? 180 degrees it should be. They have given 105 degrees. So subtract from 180. So what is the another angle? 75. If you add this one to this, you will get exactly the supplement angle of this. Understood, children? So as I explained the angles, same way you should do the remaining problems. Follow the first, try to learn the definitions. and complementary angles, supplementary angles, then line, what is a line, what is a ray, then what about the line segment, then what else we discussed. So just go through the lines and angles definitions and try to learn all those children. Angle, adjacent angles, then intersecting lines, transversal, linear pair, vertically opposite angles, angles made by a transversal. So how to find that, interior, exterior, okay, corresponding angles, then transversal angles. All this you just go through this, learn properly and get ready for the exam. Okay, all the best children, get ready.